Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the TUSA Imprex 3D Hyperdry Mask. So very fancy name, but basically what that drills down to is that in front of the nose, you've got a one-way purge valve. So if you don't like water sort of inside of the mask and you find it tricky to actually get rid of it, this makes it much easier. So any water that does make its way into the mask gets caught in a little trap just in front of your nose, and then every time, well, basically all you have to do is exhale through your nose and it pushes it out of the bottom. So that way you don't have to kind of look up, touch the mask to your forehead, breathe out and hope it drains out. All you have to do is look down a little bit and then breathe out, and that's it. So it has a few other cool features from it. So on the front, big open single lens, so it's letting plenty of light coming through, and either side we actually have peripheral windows. So that's letting even more light come in from the side, so you can see a bit more sideways. So if your buddy's sort of coming up beside you, you can see them. You don't have to look around quite as much to see where your buddy is or to see the entire reef. So this is a frame design, obviously, so it's rigid all the way round. On the side, the buckles attach onto the frame itself, and we've got a little bit of a hinge in that, so your mask strap can sort of move up and down. You've got the one-way sort of ratchet strap, so you can sort of tighten it, lifting up on this little tab here to loosen it off. And then the rest of the strap is just a simple silicone strap, goes around behind your head, and that's just going to grip onto the back of your head. On the inside of the mask, so the skirt itself is made out of silicone, so nice and soft, so it's going to seal very well against your face, but you have a double sort of seal on the inside. So we have this external seal and then we have an internal seal, and that just means that you get a very wide sealing area all the way around your face. Instead of a single point of contact, it's a wide open area, creating a very comprehensive seal all the way around. Now, lots of space inside of this, and what they've done is, because the nose is actually covered up, it makes it a little bit trickier to equalize. You still can, but you have to do it behind the frame, so it's best used while snorkeling. You can still equalize with a regulator in your mouth, it is just a little bit trickier. You just have this little section here, you just sort of pinch your nose, you just have to get over your second stage, and then you can equalize. So all in all, it's a large volume mask, big open lens, but the main benefit is in that hyperdry, because you've got that one-way purge valve. It's just going to push any water inside of the mask out. This is the TUSA Imprex 3D Hyperdry Mask. Thanks for watching, and safe diving. We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.